Installation of DPF and DEF emulator in 6.7-liter Komatsu engine. Locate the DEF pump plug, disconnect it, and plug in the pump emulator instead. To place the installer points is where it was connected originally. Locate the DEF tank quality sensor, disconnect it, and leave it disconnected. Locate the differential pressure sensor plug, disconnect it, and plug in the emulator into the wire that was going into the sensor. To place the installer points is where it was connected originally. Locate the first temperature sensor, disconnect it, and plug in the matching plug from the emulator's harness. To place the installer points is where it was connected originally. On the left side of the machine, locate the engine CAN plug, disconnect it, and plug in the matching plug from the emulator's harness. It will be located in between the air filter and fuel filter. Locate the second temperature sensor and the first NOx sensor, disconnect them, and leave them disconnected. You can see the installer pointing at them from both sides of the engine bay. Locate and disconnect two plugs from the ammonia sensor and leave them unplugged. Locate and disconnect the second NOx sensor and leave it unplugged. Check the LED lights underneath the cover of the emulator to see if everything is connected correctly.